So hi guys, just a quick update. Maybe a bit of a weird video here, me filming my computer screen, but it was the quickest way to get things done. I'm not a computer wizard. Anyway, I just got noticed that this thing here is coming. It's an electrical chainsaw. It's called the Stihl MSA 600 CO battery chainsaw. This is a Dutch site, so that's why I'm translating it a little bit. So going to be available, I don't know when, but it will cost you around €1,000. And actually, this is kind of a great thing. This chainsaw will be running on the new Stihl battery platform, the upgraded batteries that they recently released. And well, let's go through some specs, because you know, if you are an urban bound tree cutter that gets into trouble because of gasoline vapors or noise, you are going to be excited by this one. And why? Well, it's going to offer new stuff. What will it offer? Here we go. 5.9 kilowatt hours of power. 5.9 kilowatt power means that it has the strength of more than a 661 gasoline chainsaw. It will be somewhere in between, bang in the middle of the power of the 661 and the power of the 881. So that's incredible. It is incredible. That means, and it already says here, that you can use it in very heavy logs. It will be able to drive a 90 centimeters, what is that, 36-inch chainsaw bar, maybe a bit more. And well, it's meant for the surroundings where you cannot make much noise, or where people don't like gasoline vapors anymore. And here it says it is the most powerful battery chainsaw within Stihl, probably within the world. That's my own assessment. And it can go to 90 centimeters, maybe even a bit more. It's stronger than the 661. It's incredible. I don't have a test subject yet, I have to say, but it will be coming. And I guess somewhere in the beginning of next year. It has three work modi, as it says here. In its most powerful modus, you can go up to the 90 centimeters, and it has the full 5.9 kilowatt power. There's performance, endurance, and precision, so you can adapt your machine to every job at hand. And it has a display with all kinds of functions and relevant information. If you run 4 new AP300P batteries and you have a 1802 MO charger with you, you can work the entire day with this machine without a break. That's quite a promise, right? 4 batteries and a charger. You can run this machine professionally without stopping. Incredible. That's quite a promise. That's the things that hold us back at the moment, you know. I don't know about the weight though, but maybe we'll get there. There's different settings for heavy cut-in. Not every job is demanding of this power, so... Oh, there's also a pro filtration system. Okay. Yeah, the 5.9 kilowatt is mechanical power, and it has a 6.1 Newton meter moment. The machine itself weighs 6.4 kilograms, and when you hold it in use, so with the battery, 12.2 kilograms. Oh, what's that? About 24 or 25 pounds. Well, it's quite heavy, but what do you expect? It's a battery machine, right? it's where you cannot use a normal chainsaw anymore, that you would use something like this. It's talking about vibration values, 5.4 and 5.0 square meter per second. And with the one AP300P battery, you can do 40 cuts, probably at maximum length. All right, so for a full workday, you have to have 4 of those batteries and an AL1802 MO charger. There we are, specifications. Oh, this is the interesting bit, right? So the brand is Stihl, the max mechanical power 5.9 kilowatt. This is torque 6.1 nanometers, 6.4 kilograms without battery, 12.2 kilograms with probably the 300 battery. Vibration on the left 5.4 square meters per second, 5.0 on the right. You can do 40 cuts on maximal length with an AP300P battery. 3 modi, performance, endurance, precision. Oh, well, that's quick. It's going to be available this November. Well, we'll have to wait about that. Yeah. Incredible, guys. You know I'm a husky man, but these things make me happy. I mean, I'm not solely a husky man. I like husky the best. It's just because of the feel. I like the ergonomics of these saws. They never really let me down. But I also like Stihl. You know, I'm not really a fanboy of this or the other. I have more Husqvarna, and that's probably mostly dealer related. I love the feel of them, but things like this really, really make me happy. So if you want to do your own research, this is online now, so it's just on my computer. So have fun researching, and hopefully I can show you one in the near future. I don't know when this thing is available in USA or outside of Europe. This is a Dutch website, right? And it doesn't say anything about the rest of the world. So I think the number that they call, you know, November 2026, I think it's mainland Europe, and maybe the rollout for the rest of the world be after that. But it could just as well mean that the entire world is going to experience the same kind of date for the entire rollout. Who knows? Anyways, guys, you got something to look forward to. Can we enlarge this? Yes, we can. It's not really sharp though, but it's kind of got that 881 vibe, right? And it's only like half a kilowatt down from a 881. It's stronger, and also a half a kilowatt stronger than the 661. That's something very interesting, and it's a very large light bar. You see that? Oh. Light X. Okay. What is that? A new bar? I don't even know. Oh. Let's see. Aren't there more pictures of this thing? No. Well, this is what I can offer you now. So, to everybody, have a great day. And yeah, you probably heard it here first. Well, again, have a great day, guys. Goodbye.